Are you excited to turn your leftovers into lip-smacking dishes? Let's dive into day 4 of our zero-waste meal plan. For breakfast, we're making savoury veggie muffins. Grab a zucchini, grate it. Add 2 eggs and a cup of grated cheese. Mix it all up. Spoon the mixture into muffin cups and bake at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. Golden and delicious. Lunchtime calls for leftover soup. Toss any leftover veggie scraps into a pot with a litre of vegetable stock. Simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. Blend until smooth or keep it chunky. Easy, tasty and zero waste. For dinner, it's a refreshing quinoa and chickpea salad. Mix 1 cup of cooked quinoa with a tin of chickpeas and any leftover veggies you have. Drizzle with lemon juice and olive oil. Serve chilled or at room temperature. Healthy, hearty and planet-friendly. That's it for day 4. Stay tuned for more zero-waste recipes. Happy cooking! Don't forget to check out our other videos, like turn on notifications and subscribe. It really helps the channel, and I appreciate it more than you realize.